Okay guys, I have another video here. My other video sort of cut off, so this would be a part 2 of my second video. Here is my matrix installed. Got my 8 pins on there. I take the light away so you can see the lights where the 8 pin is, and my start and reset button on the motherboard, and the Republica Gamer should come on here. It just fluctuates. This is just when the power's plugged in but the PC is off. It just runs, it just stays lit up like this. Different little other lights on the motherboard down in there. But anyways, there's my new Asus Matrix GTX 580 right there. There's other little things on here like probes and stuff for more sophisticated guys. You can hook up like and solder things onto these back tiny ones back. I can't really get a shot of that because it's too far in there, but anyways, the back side, something else I didn't show you guys. I got my door off over here. This door comes off. What I didn't show you last time, it was in a video that I made but I never posted it. But anyways, that door comes off. It's got little hinges here. You see the little power connection here? That's what has, so the cord isn't running through, it's not connected. You can just pull the door off of these little hinges. I took my grommets out. You can see the grommets here that I took out, the rubber. I took them out just to give more airflow. Probably also get more dust inside the unit. But you know, I just wanted as much airflow, and they seem to be restricting. I also took this, if we refer to my very first video, I had a black grate up here that you can just take out. It's got these little tongs on the inside of the grate, and I took that out just to give that more airflow. I took it out of this door here too. You can see there's just the, let me show this to you real quick. Just has this screen, again you push, and it's just the actual honeycomb plastic instead of, there used to be a black mesh on there too. I took that off. I still left this little filter on just to help halfway try to keep the dust out, but I can show you this door is hanging in my hand as such, and you just line up the little hinges here, even though it's probably hard to see once again because of the dark. But anyways, these little hinges line up, and you try to get them to slip in together like that. See, now it's on, swinging freely. The door will close. Very simple. Connection here. This is the wire here to the fan. Connection, which you can't see because I don't have my flashlight again. Anyway, connection there. Wire, fan, and then that's how it connects. And I think I'm going to go ahead and turn my power on to my computer, and I'm going to see all my new thing in action. So let's power this baby up. Let's turn on the monitor. Monitor's on, little blue light, Asus. And then we'll come over here, turn the power button on. And oh, look at the matrix, isn't it awesome? I'm viewing this for the first time as well. It's awesome. This makes me want to watch The Matrix, the movie. I might watch all of them on my new HD thing-majig over there. Isn't that cool? It'd probably be cooler if I turn the frickin' lights off. I need lights on, I need lights off. Need lights on, I need lights off. Woo! Look at this bad boy. Goodness gracious, I really didn't get to show you all the light bit with this. Here's my, oh, hold on a second. I have a Windows issue, see? Windows did not shut down properly last time. I'm just going to start Windows normally, because I'm sure it's fine, because I just had a glitch the last time I took my old video card out. Anyway, just all the little lights in there, and my light for the fans, the big 200 mil fan here. This one's not on, the side panel one. The Thunderbolt lights up all red. Pretty sweet. My little 140 or 120, I mean, down at the bottom down there, all lit up. And there's my install of my new card. I think that's quite spectacular. Matches all the other colors in there. But anyways, let me show this to you. Look at my screen. See how big it is? I got all my games. I just bought Crysis 2. That's Crysis 2 there. I haven't even played that yet. You can see how everything is so big and out pixelated because of I haven't put my drivers in yet. You see the big fan that went on there. I'm going to shut this door. But anyway, you can see all the colors. I'll show you the front. This is the front of the unit here, of the PC. But then it changes. See, I push these buttons on the top here, these little LEDs. You can see my finger covering this one here. It's this one here. And you push that once, and it turns green. It's green. Isn't it awesome? Awesome. I'm having issues with my PC over here on the screen, so I'll try to get through this rapidly. Then it turns red. Oh, I like the red too. Isn't it crazy? That's the big 200 mil at the top looking through the window. And of course the front's red. Then you push it again, and it chases different colors. This is one of the cooler custom cases out there, I'm telling you guys right now. A lot of gamers probably don't, they probably don't care, but you got to admit that's pretty cool. No matter who you are. I never seen what it looks like from the back at all. Well, not too. That's from the top view up that way. Then you push it again, and it's just solid, but then it switches by itself. It goes through the different colors, and it'll change like purples and blues, and that's the main top one there. I mean, that's the main side one, sorry, that's the main top one there. How it's spinning and changing different colors. It's pretty sweet. There's the front doing its thing. And then when you push it again, it's just off. It's just completely off. Although you can see the matrix light through the honeycomb grill. That is so sweet. You can see matrix through this honeycomb of the... I usually like to leave it on blue, because blue, after all, is my favorite color, so that's why I leave it on blue. Anyway, here's my monitor here, and it's screaming for help, so I guess I will help it. You must restart your computer to apply these changes. I didn't even make any changes. Okay. Well, I'll restart now just to see what it says. Cannot find a graphics card. Are you crazy? Well, in that case, I'm going to push DEL over here, which you guys can't see because it's sort of dark. Windows is logging off, but if I push this DEL on the number keypad to my right, that'll bring up the BIOS, and then I can actually search for my video card. Oh, the screen just went black. Not to worry. Don't get scared. This is not a scary movie. It's just my monitor is doing its thing. It'll come back to life at some point, I hope. Any day now. Any second. Oh, there. I just pushed my no drivers found. That's silly. There's my Hitachi 3 terabyte. Oh, there it is. Extreme Tweaker. This is what's on the Asus Rampage 3 Black Edition. And we're going to look at the GPU. And it says there's an NVIDIA GPU running at ×8 mode. How's that possible? So that's a ×8 slot? Ooh, I may have to stop this recording. I'll get back to you folks, because it's saying that this is a ×8 slot, not a ×16 slot. Oh, that can't be good. Alright, I'm gonna sign off for right now. Catch you later.